Welcome to the shophealthy.in seller panel training. Let's log into our seller dashboard and look at what are the tools available to us. So all you need to do is go to the same URL, which is shophealthy.in. There is no separate URL for sellers. Just go to the shophealthy.in URL and log in using your registered seller account. Let me log in and show you. It will take me directly to the seller dashboard. So this is where I landed on the seller dashboard, and I will take you through each link right here so that you understand what is the benefits you get. As you can see, my status is online, so my store on shophealthy.in is online. I can see a summary of my stats right here, and let's go through each link here one by one. So seller profile is where I can go and update all my company details, my GSTN, my registered company name, my address, phone number, bank details. Let me go back. The second link is the pickup address for orders, where I would go to see what is the pickup address I have in the system where the couriers would come to pick up the orders. This is a dropship model, so this needs to be accurate and up to date. Any changes, you can reach out to us, or you can also try updating this from your end. This is the rate chart given where I would be getting billed as per this rate chart for all my shipments. Let's go back. Now this ship your orders link is the call to action where I would see a number blinking as a seller if I have an order that needs to be processed. So I would come here, click on ship your orders, and if I have any orders, I would see it here in step 1. And it's a simple stepwise process. The actions are given here for me to read and follow. All I need to do is select that order and click on the step 1 button and wait for the page to reload. The order would then move down to step 2. Again, I would just click that and click on step 2, print labels, and the label that needs to be printed and stuck on the box would be in the next window that I can take a print out of. And step 3, I would get the option of printing the manifest, which is important. When the courier comes to collect it, I would take his signature. There are some filters given for my productivity here. So if I have many orders and I don't want to double print each of them, I can maybe select 5 or 10 and print them. And when I'm done, I can mark them out of view. So then I would only see the ones that are in view, and I would only focus on those and process those. The other productivity feature is the export button given here. So before I process the order, I can easily export them into an Excel so that I can take that to my warehouse and see if I have all these products in stock, and then come back and process these orders. So these are some productivity, even the batch create shipments is a productivity tool. So let's say I have more than 10-20 orders. If I click on the real-time create shipments, it would take a long time for the system to move these orders to step 2. So I would choose the batch create mode, and it would just then in the background keep processing these orders. It comes to step 2 in about 10 minutes time if I do the batch mode. Let's go back to the seller dashboard and see what else is available to me. I can submit any blog articles as a seller. So I can come here and I can click on new article, and I can write about some of my products and submit the blog article. All right, and then let's go back to the seller dashboard. I can see an option if I want to promote my brand. So I can advertise my products, I can review the plans available to me, and write to partners at shophealthy.in if I am interested, and we can work on setting up my brand promotion. Once the brand promotion is set up, this next link, your advertisement bookings, is where I would come to see how many impressions for my brand have been done till date. This is the log where I would come here and see my impressions. Seller dashboard. Next link, if I am a new seller or if I am an existing seller and I want to create a new product, I would click on this link and I would start entering the details of the product right here. So the name would be in the format of the brand name. So let's say my brand name, followed by the product name, followed by the weight. So if it's a 500 grams or if it's a 50 capsules or something. Description would be obviously all the information I need to enter about my product. The more description the sellers enter here, the better. Tags are the keywords that people would search for on the website. So good to have relevant tags here. MRP obviously is self-explanatory. Category is the category on which I want to show my product. So let's say let's say it's an aloe vera juice. I would type juice and I would see all the available categories and I can select which is the most appropriate. If I'm not sure and I want to see the list of all categories on Shop Healthy, I can click here and it will open up all the categories on a separate window. Alright, now quantity is my inventory and all the fields in a red star are mandatory. I would obviously select the front and the back images here. And I would not submit it yet. I need to go to the data tab and enter all the mandatory fields here. So model number is the unique SKU ID that I need to enter. Manufacturer is the brand name and supply lasts for is how many days the bottle can be used. These are the three mandatory fields. Obviously everything else is also good to have. HSN, etc. is a very good important feature. Now offers is if you want to offer something like a buy one get one free or buy my product and get something else free, this is where you would come, but this is not mandatory at the beginning. General and data tab, once you're done, you can click on submit and the product goes to the Shop Healthy review team, and once it is reviewed in 24 to 48 hours, it will be live. Now once my products are entered and submitted, I can always come to manage your products, and this is where I would see all the products that I have listed for selling on Shop Healthy. I can do a lot of things from manage my products, like I can do a bulk update inventory, I can do a bulk create products, and I will take you through these two in detail in a separate video, but let's go and see what are the immediate productivity tools. So if I want to see a product, how it looks on the Shop Healthy website, there is this first icon that says view in store. If I click here, it will take me to the front end. And this is how my product looks on the shophealthy.in website. Let's say I want to mark it out of stock. I would simply come here. This is a toggle button, the plus and minus, and I can click on it to mark it sold out, and it will immediately mark it sold out on the website. So I'm just doing it as a demo. I have clicked on it. See, now the minus is gone. It has toggled to plus and the availability has become sold out. So the item now, if I click and see it, I can verify it. It is marked as sold out on shophealthy.in. That's it. Now let's say I want to mark it back in stock. I would click at the same button right now and it will ask me how much quantity do I have. Let's say I want to say 50 and I will submit. And it is back in stock. Availability is in stock and it is reflected immediately on the Shop Healthy website. Same thing for MRP updates. If I want to update the price, I would just come here and click on the rupee icon and it will update the price. So it will ask me what is my new MRP, and let's say I want to make it 100. I would just do that and I would submit it. And I can always verify this by clicking in the first view in store option. Let's say I want to change the packaging or the description or the images, right? I would be able to edit the entire product details by clicking on that pencil icon. It takes me back to that create a product form and I can update any new images, descriptions, whatever I want to. So I'll just cancel out right now, but once you edit the product, you need to submit it. It comes to the review queue and again, it takes 24 to 48 hours. In the meantime, the product will be disabled. The clone is the feature given to you if you want to create more products which are similar. So if I click on clone, it will create a separate product listing, which is a dummy, and I can edit all the details here. It just copies all the tags, etc., that you don't have to rewrite, even the the model name, etc. It's all copied. You can obviously modify this and create the new product and submit it. So this is just to make your product creation faster. And now this cross is given to delete the product permanently. Let's say my company has discontinued this product. I can just come here and I can delete it from the Shop Healthy listings. All right. So I'll go back to the seller dashboard and I'll cover these two bulk in the separate video. So manage products is done. This view your orders is where I can go to see all the orders that I have received till date. If I want to export to Excel, I can put a filter here. Let's say I want to see all my orders for last month. I can start putting a filter and I can export them. Okay, so this is for you to do any data analysis if you would like to. Let's go back. If there are any complaints that a customer has raised for some of my orders, I would see a number blinking here. So I would need to come here to my complaints and look at what the complaint is. So here is the order ID. If I click on the magnifying glass, it takes me to the details of the complaint. As I can see here, the customer has posted a picture and said that he has ordered something, but he received something with bugs and the package looks damaged. So this is a complaint by the customer awaiting seller response. So I normally would be seeing a text box right under here so that I can update, and whatever update I give here, the customer will see it immediately, and so will the Shop Healthy team. So here is the update given by this seller. There is also an option that I can take you in a later video to generate a replacement label. So let's say this product was damaged and the seller wants to send a replacement. There is a link under right here given for generating replacement shipments. So you need to be on top of your complaints, because if you don't respond for 72 business hours, the customer is eligible for a full refund. Now this is the last link, payouts and invoices. This is where I would, if I want to see all my payouts till date, I can click here and it shows me date wise what payouts were done. I can view the details so that it shows me which order was paid out for and what are the breakups. Or I can simply export all of this data into Excel and do my data mining there. So I can export all, or I can export individual payouts. If there are any invoices that are available to me, each month I will see a separate tab right here under the invoices section, and I can take that and I can take a printout or I can save it to my laptop. So that's an overview of your seller dashboard. I will take you through some more details in the next video.